Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discussing the next lesson, nutrition in animals. In this lesson, we study digestive organs in humans or animals. Today we are going to discussing the digestion in humans. What are the various digestive organs in humans? Mouth or buccal cavity, food pipe, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The process of taking food into the body is called injection. First we chew the food with the help of teeth and swallow the food with the help of saliva. The swallowed food passes in the food pipe or esophagus. The next digestive organ, stomach. Stomach is a thick-walled bag. It contains hydrochloric acid. Stomach secretes some digestive juice. It helps in the digestion of proteins, carbohydrates, etc. Then small intestine. Inside the small intestine have some finger-like projection called villi. Villi helps in the absorption of food item. It increases in the volume of the small inner wall of the small intestine. The next the food passes into the large intestine. Here the digestion is completed. And after that the waste material passing into the rectum and it give out throughout, from the body through the anus. A removal of waste material from our body is called ejection. But these are long process in the digestion in humans. The next we learn digestion in grass-eating animals. Grass-eating animals is also called ruminants. And the digestion in ruminants is called rumination. The first time the grass-eating animals, they quickly swallow the food and it is stored in the part of the stomach called rumen. And partially digested food is called cud. After a few minutes, a few hours, the cud returns to the mouth, again that animal is chewing. And the process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. Then digestion is also take place in microorganisms like amoeba. We can't see with the naked eye, we can see with the help of microscope. Amoeba is a single-celled animal. When it senses the smell of that food, the amoeba, it produces some finger-like projection in their body that is called a pseudopodia or false feet. It captures the food. And the vacuoles helps the amoeba for swallowing the food item. In this lesson, we studied the digestion in humans, digestion in grass-eating animals and digestion in microorganisms. Then let us discuss in fill in the blanks in the following that questions. Fill in the blanks. First question. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash and dash. First answer, injection, then digestion, then absorption, assimilation, then ejection. Then second question, the largest gland in the human body. The largest gland in the human body is liver. Second one answer, liver. Third one, the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called villi. Then fourth one, amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Food vacuole. Okay, food vacuole. Okay. Next, true or false. The digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Digestion of starch or carbohydrate starts in the stomach. False. First one, false. Second one, the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Yes, true. Then third one. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. True. Already studied now. This lesson already completed. Next, the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. True. Okay. So first false, then true, true, true. Okay, dear children, all of you should write to a notebook. Carefully write all of you. Everybody should read the textbook. Okay. Next class we will discuss in next section. Thank you children. Bye.